In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new mailing list and set up a subscribe page using Klaviyo. Whether you're new to email marketing or just looking to enhance your subscriber engagement, this guide will walk you through each necessary step to get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Klaviyo. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features you'll need for this process. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of your dashboard to locate and click on the Audience tab. This section is essentially the heart of your email marketing efforts as it contains all your contact lists and segments. Now, once you've clicked into Audience, navigate down to List and Segments. This is your go-to area for managing and organizing your contacts into different groups based on various criteria. Now, within this section, we're going to create a new list. Simply click on Create New, and from there, select Create List. Naming your list is an important step. Make sure it's clear and descriptive so that you can easily identify it in the future. Once you've entered a suitable name, confirm by clicking Create List. With your list successfully created, Klaviyo will prompt you to set up your subscribe page. Click on Set Up Subscribe Page, and you will be directed to the Page Builder. Here you have the opportunity to capture your brand's aesthetic and compellingly present your message. Although Klaviyo provides default templates, make sure to customize it to match your brand's personality and needs, incorporating colors, fonts, and images that resonate with your audience. Designing an engaging subscribe page not only enhances user experience, but also encourages more signups. While you're setting up, keep in mind that your subscribe page should be concise yet informative. Make it easy for potential subscribers to understand what they are signing up for, what value they'll gain, and how they can benefit from being on your list. Transparency and a compelling call to action are key elements to consider during this stage. Once you're satisfied with your design and content, go ahead and test the subscribe page. Ensuring everything looks and functions properly on both desktop and mobile devices is critical. After you're convinced that all is set up perfectly, hit the Publish button, and just like that, you're all done. You've created a new mailing list and subscribe page ready to attract and engage potential subscribers. This will pave the way for effective communication and deeper relationships with your audience. Remember, email lists are incredibly valuable for keeping your community updated and building long-lasting connections. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy email marketing!